So today I'm going to be doing a simple unboxing of my CPU, the Intel Core i9-1300K. It's a 13th gen processor, and it's one of the highest end CPUs available on the market at the time of recording this video. AKA, it's very fast and reliable. Well, at least it has been so far. Intel's packaging for the 13th gen CPUs are very nice, although there's not a whole lot to it. It still seems pretty premium. The price point for these CPUs aren't the cheapest, so it kind of is nice having something that feels like you got your money's worth. All that really comes in the box is the processor and a manual. Not sure who really needs to hear this, but there's no thermal paste included in the box. The price for the processor ranges from around $560 all the way up to about $600 depending on where you purchase it at. So the 13900K has 24 cores, that's 8 P cores and 16 E cores, and 32 threads. This specific CPU comes with integrated Intel UHD graphics 770, and it's compatible with Intel 600 and 700 series chipset based motherboards. It's got Turbo Boost Max technology 3.0 and PCIe 5 and 4 support. Not only that, it's also supportive of DDR4 and 5, Thunderbird 4, and of course you can overclock this thing, man, just look at it. But the processor is known for running rather hot, so if you're considering grabbing one, make sure you factor in some sufficient cooling. If you wanted to grab the CPU, I do have a link down in the description if you wanted some more details, things like that. But that's pretty much it for today. I'll be releasing a video for my complete PC build pretty soon, which will reveal my overall experience with the processor and my cooling solution. So make sure you subscribe and check out all my other videos on my channel, man. We'll catch you next time. Appreciate you guys.